Friends, we all have heard the word smile designing. We do hear commonly that so-and-so doctor is a smile designing doctor, or a person has got a smile design. So we do wonder that what exactly is smile design? What is being done in smile designing? When we say that you get your smile design or you got your smile design, then what exactly was being done to design your smile? I am Dr. Ankit from Seraphic Dental, and today I will be explaining you what is smile designing. So basically, smile designing means to design your smile in such a way that it looks beautiful, to address all the components which are visible when you do smile, like the shape of your teeth, the color of your teeth, the position of your teeth, the look of your lips, the look of your gums, and overall balance between all of these things, and which suits your face and your personality too, so that when you smile or you talk, and when your teeth show up, you look beautiful and your smile is enhanced to next level. This is what is smile designing. So we address all the components, like the shape of your teeth. You want your teeth to be in good shape. You want them to look beautiful. You don't like chipped or crooked teeth. So correction of shape is the first thing which we consider in smile designing. Secondly, the color of your teeth. You don't want stains on your teeth. For whatever reason you have got stains on your teeth, we need to clean them. If we cannot clean them, then we need to cover them, or we do something that your teeth look good, white and bright without any stains or discoloration. So the color of the teeth. The next thing which comes in is the correction of gaps between teeth. You don't like the gaps between your teeth. They look somewhat unaesthetic, and you want the gaps to be filled up. So there are various ways to do these things, but that we'll be talking in separate sessions. But today we'll understand that what are we going to do. So we are going to correct the gaps between your teeth. Next we come to the replacing your missing tooth or teeth. Your tooth or teeth missing, then we want to replace them with implants or bridge or whatever, but we want to restore them. Next we talk about the relationship between your upper and lower teeth. That should also look good and natural. And then we come to the correction of your gums. If there are any discoloration on your gums, then we correct them either surgically or non-surgically or whatever. And then we also correct your gummy smile. Sometimes when you smile, your gums show up. Some people like that and some people don't. That also depends upon your face cut and your personality. So if you don't want your gums to show up when you smile, then we do gummy smile correction for you. Then you need to correct the position of your teeth. Suppose they are overlapping, or they are not appealing nice, or they are not looking good. Then you need to correct the position of your teeth, and also need to correct the relationship of the teeth amongst themselves and with the opposing jaw. So I'll summarize this quickly. Then in smile designing, we correct the shape of your teeth, we correct the color of your teeth, we correct the position of your teeth, gaps between teeth. We don't want any missing teeth, so we replace the missing teeth. We correct the relationship of teeth with other teeth, and we correct the position of lips and gums as well, so that the overall balance between teeth, lips and gums suits your face cut, suits your profile and your personality, your skin tone, everything, so that you really get enhanced version of you when you smile. So this is what is smile designing. So I hope that you understood what are all the components which are addressed in smile designing. This is nowadays done with digital technology. So it really is very precise, and we can show you before starting your treatment that what would your actual outcome look like, so that you have an entire picture clear before starting the treatment. It's just like trial. So you get a lot of confidence before your treatment, and you can plan, and you can also suggest what is in your mindset. Suppose you want that my teeth should look like that, or I have seen, you can show us pics that this is what I want my teeth to look like, the shape or color or anything. We can definitely consider that, and we can give our inputs, and then we can come to a good outcome. So friends, this is what is smile designing. Thank you.